World's best shop wipes. Hands down. Not even an argument. That's right. Baby wipes and alcohol. They're cheap, they're simple, and they're effective. Let me show you what I do. First of all, you want to get yourself a nice container that's about the size of a stack of baby wipes. I just happened to find one. If not, use some kind of a resealable can or whatever is available that prevents the evaporation of the alcohol, because it evaporates much quicker than water. I'm not going to open this bag. You can figure out how to do that. But once it's open, you pull the baby wipes out in a nice big clump. Mine happen to fit right into this box. Real swell. Now the baby wipes come with some kind of a disinfectant liquid already, but it's just not as industrially strong as alcohol. Now, try to get the unscented. Otherwise, that baby wipe smell will drive you nuts. Unscented is best, especially if you like the smell of antiseptic alcohol. It reminds me of the surgery room. No, I'm not a doctor. Just wished I were. Got to get yourself some alcohol. 91% isopropyl alcohol. This is about the strongest that you can buy. You don't want to use methyl alcohol because that's toxic to your skin. So you need to get the stuff that's actually medical grade. Pop the top off it. Probably shouldn't do that. I like the smell of alcohol, but if you get in that habit, you might just actually smell something that's really dangerous, and then you're in trouble. So you get the baby wipes in there. I put a couple really big globs or glugs of alcohol in there. Make sure that it's well saturated with alcohol and not just the antiseptic stuff, because you want it to have some kind of a solvent action in the shop, because you might be trying to dilute something like oil or grease or paint, and alcohol seems to cut quite a bit of it. So it's pretty simple. Now, whenever you got dirty hands, you just pull one of these out. They're nice and moist and wet, kind of like those little wet naps that you use at the fried chicken restaurant. That's what that reminds me of, the fried chicken restaurant. Oh, they work so good. And they're nice and fibery. They're not just paper. They're really tough. You can clean up your workbench, your hands. I suppose you could clean your glasses off with them if you wanted to, but that's a little bit risky. And make sure you have a good sealing container. Otherwise, the alcohol evaporates. So there you have it. The best shop rags available. Baby wipes and alcohol. You just can't beat it. Thanks for watching.